All right, let's give it another go. And for Pete's sake, this time...
I'm trying. I am trying.
I don't see why we had to leave the club straight away after the game. Goodness, just as I told you, she's still at it. Huh? At her age. That should have been Jane's car, you know.
All right, Mum. You are in neutral. Now, this time, when you put it into first, just hit the accelerator just a little bit harder.
Why?
You've got to be moving at least before you can put her up to second revs, you know?
Stop yelling!
Typical.
Go forward! Yes!
Come on.